Hello everyone and welcome back to English Vanessa. In this video, we are going to discuss a lesson packing written by Jerome K. Jerome. So before moving further, let us know about the author Jerome. Jerome K. Jerome was an English writer best remembered for his comic novel Three Men in a Boat. The story packing which is extracted from this novel Three Men in a Boat, which has remained in print continuously since 1889. It is the story of the young man who takes a boating holiday on the river Thames, combined by their unruly dog Montmorency. The novel became such a success that boating on the river became a popular pastime. So, Packing it is a story about three friends who are getting ready to go for a journey. The first one is Jerome, the author itself. The second one is Harris and George. This story follows the packing session of these three friends, Jerome, Harris, and George. Thus, the story begins with them starting the most important thing of a trip, that is packing. This story is an extract which is taken from Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. In this story, Jerome is the narrator himself and writes about the experience he has while his friends decide to start packing. Further, it takes us on a hilarious ride about three adults who struggle to do a basic thing, that is packing. So, this packing summary will take you through the nuisance they experience in addition to their dog Montmorency's contribution. Similarly, it also shows his other two friends that are not great when it comes to packing. So, let's begin the story. So, here as Jerome, Harris, and George are ready to set out on a journey, they started packing for it. Being the narrator, Jerem described how the packing experience went. So we can see that Jerem is quite confident with his packing skills as he handled it all alone. While in reality, he wishes to simply supervise the packing session while making his friends to do the work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself. While they sit relaxed, this does not impress Jerome. So finally, after the long packing session, he packs the bag up, while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon Harris tells him about the shoes that he did not pack, and Jerome will have to reopen the bag to make space for them. Thus, for learning about the shoes, Jerome remembers his toothbrush, which he did not pack. In order to find it, he empties the whole bag just for one toothbrush, and that he finds inside the boot and packs the bag again. Now, after that, in the story, we can see one more query arises for the soap by George. First question arises by Harris about the shoes. The second question arises from the George by soap. So here this irritates Jerome, so much so that he does not pay heed to it and pack the bag anyway. However, to his mistake, he has to reopen it again due to his spectacles being locked inside the bag. Finally, this packing session concludes at 10 o'clock at night. Now, after Jerome's packing, Jerome's other two friends pack the hampers like snacks and all themselves to show him how it's actually done. They wanted to show off their skills now. Eventually, everything turned out messy again as they broke many things and ruined the cupcakes. They squashed the tomatoes and treated on butter and smashed the pies into pieces. It was utter chaos, but the three tried to put things into order. Now, in the story, the poet's pet dog Montmorency entered the scene and started causing a ruckus. He sat on the things, crushed all the lemons, and ruined the jam. He thought that the lemons were rats. In the end, it took them hours to complete the process. Finally, the final packing ends at around 12:50 in the night. After a tiring packing session, they decide the time to get up for the next morning, and George dozes off before engaging in this conversation. In the end, Jerome and Harris mark 6:30 at the wake up time and go off to sleep. Here we have learned how packing can also be a tedious task if not done correctly, and that life is always better with friends. So this is all for today's video, Packing by Jerome K. Jerome. I hope it would be helpful for you. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.